What's up, YouTube? It's your girl 313 Retro Queen. Have y'all ever wanted a shoe but not wanted a shoe and then ended up with the shoe only to find out that the shoe is fire as fuck? So you really happy you got the shoe? That's kind of what happened with the Off-White 5. So right here on your girl's channel, Who Has the Heat, you have me, McFly KOF, E-Money Shoes, and PM Kicks doing a sneaker battle. So tune in on Thursdays and Saturdays at 8:30. Subscribe to the channel. Drop me a comment. Drop me a like. Share this video. Let me know what y'all think. Check this box. Unlike anything I've ever seen before. You got the little holes all around it. Check it. Check it. Even in the top. The Jumpman on top. On there. And you can see the size is 6.5. Now, I got a 6.5 because I did not put in for this shoe in my size. I put in for somebody else's size, and I won my raffle on their size, which was a 7, I believe. And they actually ended up putting in for a size smaller, a little half size smaller than theirs, because they said they never really hit on a 7, so they figured they'd go a little bit smaller. But ended up hitting on it, and so we just swapped sizes, and that is why I ended up with this shoe. So when we open this box up in here, you got off-white paper. I don't know if y'all can see that in there with the Jumpman on it. If you want to see what it look like, that's what it look like on the inside of the box. Inside of the box. The shoe, the thing that made me not want the shoe, honestly, is because I thought that, just like the box, that these were cutouts. I thought you could remove, put that on there. I thought you could remove these little circular portions of the shoe, when in fact, it's just that people were taking, I guess, X-Acto knives and, you know, detailing up their own shoe. Off-white tags, you know, gotta have those on there. Gray color shoe, and it's like it's an overlay, whatever this is. And if you look on the back here, the Nike Air is under it. So it's not out on top where you can feel the stitching of the Nike Air. It's under this material here, which is pretty dope. It's like that all around the shoe where you see this material. The shoe itself is pretty rugged. Outline the shoe in black stitching here all around the shoe. You got that nice 23 there on the side. I don't know. I mean, it's a 5. It's pretty dope. You know, I love my 3M, so you know they got that 3M reflecting on the tongue there. And the left shoe also has this hole right here in the tongue. Not really sure the significance of that, but the right shoe doesn't have it. It's just on the left shoe. So if yours is on the right shoe, you might have a problem. Starting off from the bottom here, you see we got this already pre-oxidized bottom, which is kind of dope. You got your Jumpman under there, your red Jumpman. You got your Nike under here. And on the medial side, you see you got your air bubble there. You can see that this oxidized part comes up a little bit. You got your little cement here, and your black midsole. And you got your Nike address branding here on the medial side as well of the 5. Coming around the front, let you all get a look at that. Again, you have the oxidized outer sole coming up over to match the midsole here with the cement, and then transitioning over here, you have the black with the outer portion on the lateral side of with the air unit here. So I mean, yeah, it's kind of a dope shoe. Like, you have it, even the gating on the outside, I don't know if you can see that, but it's slightly pre-oxidized also. So it's like it's impossible to, you know, I mean, I'm not gonna say it's impossible. You can't mess this shoe up, but as far as the oxidizing, I like how you don't have to worry with that with the shoe. Yes, it does come with 3 sets of laces. You have the black laces, which are already in the shoe. Then you have your white laces, and they all say laces on the string by the eyelets, by the aglets. And then you have your red laces as well. So not really sure which way I want to freak these with the laces. I've seen them with the red. I haven't really cared for them. I may end up buying some custom laces just to change it out, and maybe see if I can find some cement laces to match this little portion of the shoe with a little gray or something in there. On the tongue here, I don't know if you can see under the laces, but you have the gating system under there as well. And you got your lace lock, of course, which is also pre-oxidized with the red push pin in there. But like I said, man, it's a very dope shoe. I haven't tried it on yet, and yes, I've had it since All-Star Weekend. I got this for retail. But like I said, man, it's a very dope shoe. If you got the shoe, you got a comment, you want to know anything about it, if I can help you out, I will. Just drop me a comment down below, and we're going to get into this on foot. All right.